Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on the step-by-step on how to take your MotionIt AI subscription to the next level. So, let's not waste any time and jump right into the process of enhancing your subscription experience. To begin, navigate to your MotionIt AI dashboard. Once you have reached your dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side and locate the Account tab. Within the Your Plan section, you will find an option to access the customer portal. Click this option to proceed further. Inside the customer portal, you will be presented with choices to either modify your current plan or cancel it. If, like me, you have previously canceled a plan and now wish to re-upgrade, simply select Update Plan. MotionIt AI offers a range of subscription options, including Starter at $7.90 per month, Pro at $14.90 per month, and yearly plans priced at $69.90 and $119.90 per year, respectively. Your choice between monthly and yearly plans depends on your presentation needs. If you frequently use presentations, opting for the yearly plan can be advantageous, offering a discount. However, if you require it for a short-term project, the monthly plan might be more suitable. Once you have selected your desired plan, click Select and then proceed by clicking Continue. You will then be prompted to provide your information and payment details. And there you have it. You have successfully upgraded your subscription on MotionIt AI, whether you have decided to switch to a different plan or renew your subscription. It is a straightforward process. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.